It's early morning on a Saturday. I come into work, and of course, after I get all logged in and get settled for the day, as usual, I come out back, right? And I go to the dumpsters and I look around. Well, when I came out here, I noticed there is a eggplant. Now look in here. There's bags of eggplant. There's watermelons. Look at the seeds in the watermelons. I could take all these watermelons, take all the seeds. There's bags of potatoes. The potatoes don't look bad at all. You know, the eggplant's probably not bad either. And I looked at this bag. This bag kind of looks like turnips. All this cardboard could be used as mulch or composted. I went around to that side and I looked, and underneath, it's kind of hard to see, but down in there underneath, bunch of bags of potatoes. They didn't look bad. It's just some of them had, growth on them, like they wanted to grow, putting out little limbs, little roots and stuff like that. Big old russet potatoes. I wish I'd brought my truck today. All this cardboard, all the eggplant, all the watermelon, all the turnips, all the potatoes. Every bit of that would be going in the back of my pickup truck and I'd be taking it home. I'd use whatever I could use, and then I'd compost the rest. I would plant seeds. The cardboard would go down on the ground as a ground cover, and then I'd put my good garden soil on top of it and create raised garden beds. I need to learn to bring my pickup truck with me more often. Every bit of this is still going to be here tomorrow, so I think I'm going to bring my truck tomorrow. I might just spend an hour or two out here just getting all this and putting it in the back of my truck. And maybe by that time, we'll have more more stuff. Now, I've noticed that they start putting stuff in this trash can, or, well, whatever you call this, dumpster, after that one way down there is full. So I'm gonna have to wander down there and look at that one way down there just to see. And they say that, oh, well, maybe I shouldn't talk about them, but the side of the truck down there says "Wiping hunger off the face of America" by throwing it in the dumpster. Every one of these potatoes could be planted in the garden and grow more potatoes. These turnips could be planted in the dirt. They could go to seed and make more seed, more turnip seed to grow more turnips. All of these eggplants probably have little seeds in them. I could get enough seeds out of these things to seed the entire 5 acres. Little watermelons. Well, anyway, let me know what you would do with all this. I've got plans.